Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Litecoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame before I get started. From a disclosure perspective, I do want to note that I do own Litecoin and I am long, so just keep that in mind as I go through the presentation. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours worth of time. So all this here may look like couple weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I like to this time frame, especially in this situation, because the chart and this time frame is really going to help us map out a very logical question. And that question revolves around the fact that Litecoin currently is under a very nice bounce. I say currently because remember the crypto markets are open 24/7. So this chart will continue to unfold, but I want to talk about more something just from a general perspective that will apply and remain relevant the entire weekend long. But what's currently going on is a very nice bounce. I mean, to think at one point Litecoin was way down there, and then as I talk right now, the price is all the way up there. Any rational person is going to say, yeah, Litecoin has definitely made a very nice move. However, that does lead to the valid question, though, of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area on the chart is, let's use green here for support. But the way that really kind of simplifies this all, and I'm a big fan of the keep it simple, stupid method of things, is right here at, let's just call it 155. Why is 157? Why is 157 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 157. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range of the chart where it was when it was flirting with these lows here. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price rolls over, not saying it will, but let's just say it comes down. Let's grab another different one. So it comes down here, bounces around, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows right there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation over the weekend, I'm quantifying and defining that phrase, make progress, as 157. As far as levels of resistance, it's all about the purple line right there, that 50-period simple moving average. You can see over the recent history, this level has just, smacked down the price every time it's gotten anywhere near it. So over the weekend, if the price does get up there and test that purple line, it'll be very interesting to see just how the price reacts with it. But no doubt about it, Litecoin currently undergoing a very nice bounce right now. So we'll see if the bulls can build upon this or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.